Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you pay with PayPal balance instead of credit card. So let's get into the video. So if if you're making a online purchase or you're making an online payment to someone, so if you want to use your PayPal balance instead of credit card, so for example, if you're, for example, like an online purchase in Amazon or any other sites, or you're sending it online to someone, so what you can do is you can manually change your payment method to so that you can use your PayPal balance. How can you do that is you can simply go to your PayPal, like just open up your PayPal. So go to your PayPal, okay, and then logged in. So once you're already logged into your PayPal, so what you're going to do, go to your settings here on your top right. So click on settings. So hit on settings here. So once you're on your settings here, then click on the payments option. So when you get to your payments option here, what you're going to do now here, you're going to scroll down and then scroll down, and you have an option here, your preferred way of pay. So for example, for online purchases, so what you're going to do, click on choose. So for click on choose, and then here what you're going to do, you're going to select the PayPal balance. So select the PayPal balance and then confirm it. So you just need to make sure that you have enough sufficient balance on your PayPal. So you should have enough PayPal balance in order to choose this. All right, so choose that and then hit on confirm, and that will change your preferred way to pay online. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.